Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Roll, please answer. Kylie Duke. Okay. Michael Fong.
Michael Garner.
Looking for Michael Fong.
No.
Hernandez. Hayden Hoff. Monica Jesse Linville. Timothy Plunkett. Probably unmute. Cameron Robinson. Thank you. Jared Sagizer. Is that the right way to say it? Sagasor. Only 600 ways to do it, right? Justin Sapila. Bronte Stevenson. Jericho Wood. Good afternoon. This is the City of Orting infraction calendar. Types of hearings. The first type of hearing is called a contested hearing. Contested hearing means that you are saying that you didn't commit the infraction and the city can't prove it. So what that means in real life is this. The bigger stack wins. So if I have two books, this one wins because it's bigger than this. So the standard proof is 51% beats 49%. That's a very easy standard proof. It's not like in a criminal case where it's beyond a reason. The second type of hearing you have is the mitigation hearing. Mitigation hearing is the I did it but calendar. I did it, but I'm here to explain my circumstances and hope that my fine can be reduced. And that's what we do on the mitigation calendar. If we mitigate a case, then normally your fine is going to be reduced unless we're not allowed to do it. For anyone in the courtroom who has not in the last 7 years done so, you can do what they call a deferred finding. Deferred finding, you pay $175. You have no tickets for 1 year and the case is dismissed. The exception, of course, is if you have a commercial driver's license, you are not allowed to do a deferred finding. And in fact, you're not allowed to have your fine reduced at all if you are a commercial driver's license. So with that in mind, we'll go ahead and get started. And I will start with Kylie.
Yeah, I'm here.
Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Are you still there? Kylie, you put yourself on mute.
Hello, I'm here. So,
All right. Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
no, I did.
Okay. Well, if you wanted to do a deferred, let me look here. If you want to do a deferred finding, it looks like your first ticket. That means you pay $175, have no tickets for 6 months. I would dismiss the case. Do you want to do that?
Is that because I'm a CDL, so can I still do that?
Not with a CDL. If you have a CDL, you can't.
Okay, then that's probably not an option for me.
Unfortunately, with a CDL, I'm not allowed even to reduce the ticket. And you got the ticket the next day?
Yeah. What do you mean?
I didn't hear you. You were out there.
Sorry. What did you?
You said you got the insurance the next day?
Until I had my next paycheck to get insurance.
All right, so this is what I don't like to do because, like I said, in these type of cases, I have very little leeway. The DOL requires that we make the fine if committed when you don't have the insurance at the time, and to avoid what they call masking laws, we are not allowed to reduce the ticket. And so I do not.
Okay.
I don't like to do this, but I am going to make the fine if committed, and the fine is $553. However, you will have plenty of time to pay it. We'd like you to make $50 a month payments starting within 30 days, okay?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
You're allowed to make payments. We'd like them at $50 a month and starting in 30 days, so you have plenty of time to pay it. Are you there?
Okay.
All right.
The connection's kind of bad.
Yeah. If you can't make a payment, just let us know and we work with you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're free to go. All right, and Michael Garner. Good afternoon. Can you hear me all right?
Yes.
You're here for a contested hearing, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read the police report, and then you'll have the opportunity to respond. So this is the city of Orting. For Michael. This is third on 11/30/2020 in Orting, Pierce County, Washington, at Washington Avenue North on the 800 block. The officer says, I certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of Washington that I have used this on the date and at the location above. I have probable cause to believe the above named person committed the above offense. I authorized user ID and password to authenticate it. Signed, Officer Luis Defeat. The list of date and time. I was stationary. On the southbound side of the roadway. This technical problem. I observed a white Mercedes directly past. Proceeded to stop the vehicle and turned on my lights and sirens once I got behind it. I called out the stop. I didn't notice it on it. The temporary plate had a dark, dirty plastic over it. I contacted driver, identified as Michael T. Gamer, date of birth 9/30/1996, and introduced myself and asked the driver's license registration instead of documents. As requested, Michael angrily asked why I pulled him over. I asked Michael again for the documents, but he insisted that I told him the reason for the stop. In order to avoid further confrontation, de-escalate, I told Michael the reason that he was stopped for the stop, and he replied with, yeah, right. He also said, now that you can read the plate, why are you wasting my freaking time? Once Michael gave me his license, I noticed that the address was Everett. I asked Michael if he still lived in Everett. He angrily replied, I live there. I live here. I asked Michael, his license stated otherwise, which is why I asked. While in my vehicle, Michael continuously revved his engine and honked twice. Although could have cited Michael for illegal use of horn and possibly prepared to notify DLL an address change, I wrote Michael a ticket for obscured license plate only. When I returned to Michael's vehicle with the ticket, he said F you multiple times, crumbled up the ticket upon receiving it, and told me my lawyer will have this dismissed and sped off rapidly. This occurred in the city of Orting, Pierce County. I certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of Washington that I have to state all statements made herein are true and accurate, and I'm entering my authorized user ID and password to authenticate it, signed by Officer Luis Defeat. Date and place 12/1/2020, City of Orting, County of Pierce. Please raise your right hand. You promise to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may tell your side of the story, sir.
Yeah, I was driving. I mean, the officer clearly saw me. I just pulled out of my own neighborhood. I did have a cover on the plate, but the cover came with the car when I purchased the car, and I have a picture of the plate on the car when I purchased the car. And you can clearly see my license plate. That's the same exact cover. I also have the cover here to show you. You can clearly see my license number. And again, as you can see in the picture, when I purchased the car, it was not told to me that it was illegal. It came with the car when I purchased the car. And I mean, yes, I was angry, but and I probably did express that, but I mean, how would anyone feel if I literally just pulled out of my own neighborhood and I didn't even make it a block and I'm getting pulled over for that? Set me right off. And he's acting like he was nice. He was not a nice officer. He was being just as much of a butthole as I was. And I mean, obviously, since then, that was a temporary plate, which was on there, obviously, to protect the paper. It's obviously been removed since the official plate is on the car, and it's obviously hasn't been back on the car.
Based on the officer report, though, when he proceeded to pull you over, he could only read the AW31 on it. He referred to the cover at the point of pulling you over as dirty, and he was unable to read it. The importance, of course, having a license plate is so an officer, when they are pulling you over or when they are observing your vehicle, can have an instant look at your license plate and see the license plate. That's what the whole thing we have license plates for, is they can identify in case there's an issue. I will make a finding that you committed the infraction, and I make that finding by preponderance of the evidence. The fine is
Okay.
$231.
Okay, I'd like to contest. What do I do? Because
You're
from my understanding, when I did talk to my lawyer,
you're online. If you say another word without letting me finish my sentence, I will hold you in contempt, which will put you in jail. Now, what I'm trying to tell you is explain an answer to you. You just had your contested hearing. That's why you just now testified. That's why I put. All right. So, made the finding committed, and I will note that Mr. Garner has left the screen.
I did not leave the screen. I'm right here.
All right.
And I'm confused. I still have more to say.
All right. Say more.
Well, I would like to continue on, and I will include my lawyer. The reason why I did not include my lawyer is because he told me since the plate was removed, just like people with insurance when they don't have it, that it would get dropped. This is ridiculous, and I do want to continue on with this legal action, because if I do need to hire my lawyer, I will. That's no problem. But I'm not going to accept the ticket. No.
You can hire a lawyer for the appeal.
Okay, then let's do that. No, okay.
All right. And is your address still the 12115 19th Avenue Southeast, apartment G102, Everett?
No.
What is your address?
1002 Antonie Lane, Northwest, Orting, Washington, 98360.
All right. Thank you. You're free to go. Mackenzie Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right. So let me see. Looks like you've done a deferred finding, right? Looks like you did one last year.
Yes.
All right. So tell me why there was no license. What happened?
So I went to get my license after the first initial ticket. I work 40 hours a week. It's just really hard to find time just with my schedule. And I normally don't drive myself. My husband normally has started driving me since the initial ticket. That day he had to work, and there was no other option other than for me to drive myself. I was unaware that I had a headlight out at the time. I have made steps to try to get my license, and I get paid on Friday, and we'll be making an appointment to start that process on Saturday.
And tell me about the headlight issue.
I just wasn't aware that it was out. I did have the headlight replaced the following day.
All right, thank you. As to the first one, the no valid operator's license with valid ID, I'm going to make the fine committed. However, I'm going to reduce the fine from $553 down to $200.
Okay.
And if you're not able to pay, make $50 a month payments. And if you can't make a payment, please notify us and we work with you. Okay.
Okay.
Since you have replaced the headlights, I'm going to dismiss that one.
Okay. Thank you.
Have the same address for you?
Yes.
So we will send this to you. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Right. And now we have Hayden Hoff. Come on forward and sit in the chair in the middle. And the first question I have, Mr. Hoff, is did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
Yes.
Okay, so if you could, I'm going to have her come around and grab that from you. Right, I do find that you do have insurance on the date of the ticket, so that's going to be dismissed. There's a $25 administrative fee for not having that available for the police officer.
Yeah.
Once that paid, that case is dismissed. And are you also contesting the speeding?
No, sir.
All right. So it looks like you do qualify for a deferred finding, which means you pay $175, have no tickets. Because this is your first ticket for 6 months, I will dismiss the case. Do you want to do that?
Yes, sir.
And that keeps it off your record, doesn't affect your insurance.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So we don't have anyone over there to take payments today, so you can start making payments. We do like minimum of $50 a month payments. If you could pay it all off in advance, great. If you can't,
Okay.
Again, we work with you, so just call us up if you can't, all right? You're free to go. We're looking at you because we get to clean up the spot now. And Ms. Kimball, as soon as she's done there, you're up. And while you're sitting there, did you have insurance on the date of the ticket? Well, you also qualify for a deferred finding where you pay $175, have no tickets for 1 year. I dismiss the case. You want to do that? All right. Yep. Well, not if we're doing a deferred finding, you know. If you had the insurance on the date, yes. All right. So no tickets for 12 months. Pay $175 and your case will be dismissed. And if you, we'd like to make $50 a month minimum payments. If you can't do it, make sure you call us and we work with you. So
Is there any way that I can do community service?
there is community service available. And in Orting, we have the Recovery Cafe or the food bank that does it.
Okay.
And I believe it's at 10 an hour. It used to be $10. It might be $10 an hour. So that would be, actually, sorry, it's a deferred finding. That's costs. So it does have to be made in payments.
Okay.
So if you can't make a $50 payment, just let us know and we work with you.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. So I'm going to go.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
And Jesse Linville, can you hear me? I think you're on mute, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
Yes.
Do you have proof of that for me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure I can read that. It's pretty dark in there. See if I can get that. What view do I need to put that on to? So first of all, you have to hold it up right towards where, if you can see it, can you see it when you put up the screen? If you could get it in focus, typically it'll focus for me. How do I get his picture on here? Which one?
Do you see it?
I have the pin. Hold on, just hold it right there a second. Is it pin participant?
Yep.
All right. It's upside down and a little too close. All right. So again, it's still upside down. All right. 7/25/21, and the date of the ticket is one four. All right. What's the read the effective date for me? It says 7/25.
125.
The 125.
125. What year?
20.
21.
21.
All right. So that was the ticket was 1/4/2021. You have the one before this?
This is the correct one. This one says through 125/21.
Right. But the ticket was 3 weeks before that.
Yeah, but this covers 7/20/25 of 20, 1/25 of 21.
So what I was asking is what was the effective date?
Oh, 7/25 of 20.
Okay. Thank you. Now that's different. You read me the other date.
Sorry about that.
So it does cover, so there's a $25 administrative fee. Other than that, the ticket's going to be dismissed, okay?
All right.
All right. So has your address changed since you got the ticket?
Nope.
All right. So we'll send this to your address.
All right.
And as soon as that's paid, this will be closed.
All right.
You're free to go. Timothy Plunkett. Good afternoon. Come on, have a seat. And did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
No, but I was in the process of getting that. I fairly moved here pretty recently. My mom passed away, and
Sorry for your loss.
Yeah, it's been hard. It's just I'm living at my girlfriend's aunt. I got my 2 kids, and just with everything, kind of is a burden. I have her car. I don't have insurance in that. It's kind of sitting in the driveway. I'm trying to deal with mine. I don't know if I can get insurance.
And that's $1,000 ticket. What I
Yeah.
would want to do on this, though, is do a deferred finding. If you have no tickets for 1 year, pay $175. I'll dismiss both cases.
I've heard do deferred, is that just one time thing? Is it?
You do it one every 7 years. So no tickets for 7 years. But if you keep no tickets for the next 1 year, this case is going to be dismissed and you don't have the $1,000 fine.
So if I have a clean record for a year?
Yep, I dismiss it.
Can I do that, sir?
Yes, and if you can't make the payment today, I don't want payments today because I don't have somebody out there to take them. But if you can't make payment all at once, you're allowed $50 a month payments and starting in 30 days.
That's if the deferred.
Yep, that's on the deferred.
So with this, I don't have a fine right now. Just go with the deferred and then
Do
no
a deferred,
tickets.
and you have no tickets for 1 year, your case is going to be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. And once she gives that to you, you're free to go. And Cameron, you are in the room, correct?
Do I need to sign anything? Am I good?
Just that. You're free to go. Did he?
Oh, I'm okay. Okay.
Cameron, did you have insurance on the date of the ticket? And let me look here. All right, Cameron, what you can do also, if you want to do a deferred finding, and I will consider it a first ticket, deferred finding, $175, no tickets for 6 months, I'll dismiss your case. Do you want to do that? Come on forward. Yes.
I do apologize. I couldn't hear you all the way.
That's right. If you go 6 months without a ticket, pay $175. I'll dismiss the case if you wanted to do that on a deferred finding.
That's perfectly fine.
Okay, so it doesn't go on your record, and if you can't make the payment, like I said, start within 30 days, make $50 a month payments.
Do I set that up today, or do I get an email?
We'll give you the form that you have has our address, so you can mail it or you can call in your payment.
Okay.
And it has our address on it and our phone number. Okay.
I was curious if I was allowed to do it because I don't know if they consider me a resident yet.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
You're allowed to do it once every 7 years, as long as you get a ticket. And a resident in the state of Washington, this means that you're here with the intent to stay.
I love Washington.
That's all it takes. All right. So deferred finding, $175. No tickets for 6 months. I will dismiss your case. All right.
Well, thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. And she's going to have you sign.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day. Jared, I'm not going to mess with your last name again. Sorry.
It's all good.
And usually I don't recommend a deferred finding on a tabs one, but I will cut the fine in half if you wanted to do that. And so let me see it. I'll figure out what this is. Here it is. It's $231 ticket. I'll set it at $115. Make the fine if committed, and if you need time to pay, $50 a month, and starting within 30 days. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
I'll save the hassle.
Jerica? You're on mute. Yeah, there's a little microphone on your computer that has a red line through it, and just touch that.
Okay, so sorry. Good afternoon.
So you have also expired tabs less than 2 months. What happened?
I hadn't been doing a lot of driving, obviously, with quarantining and stuff, and it just slipped my mind.
Did you get your tabs?
I sure did, yeah.
Right. Glad you got them, and I understand the situation. I'm going to dismiss the case. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You are free to go.
Have a good day.
You too. We have how many left that didn't show up? Well, there's one. Let's get him. 3. First one. So on Kribel, we were just issuing a warrant. Was that? Okay, and you also reset lane. Okay, so just reset both of those. Note FTA though.